So I've made a little fix for my Energica here. I can't really reach the set button, and I have to do something like this or something awkward. And I definitely can't reach the cruise control. And if I try, I will, if I have the throttle twisted here, and I try to reach it, then you see what happens. By mistake, I touch the throttle. I move the throttle, so it's yeah, this is not going to work. So I've made some parallel buttons here. So I have put some micro switches, one micro switch here for the cruise control, and then I have put one micro switch back here. So it's very natural for me. So when I sit like this, I just do like this with my finger, and then if I want to set the speed, like readjust the speed, I can easily go back up and down, and I can engage the cruise control here. It's much more natural, and it's working fine. But I think the solution is I don't know, I would like to have something a bit more rigid. So I'm trying to come up with a better solution for it. But this works, and it works pretty well. I'm happy with this. So yeah, just a little fix.